Okay, here is my LASKO 2002 W fan. 2002 W is the model number. In other words, 2002 white, because it is white, that's the color. It says LASKO. Turn it over here because it's kind of hard to turn it on because the way the switch is made in the back. So let's go with the first speed, and that's high. It moves a surprisingly good amount of air for its size, and it's very quiet on both speeds. Informations. Sorry, I don't have the light on. Unfortunately, when I do have the light on the camera, it kind of glares. It's a glare on it, and I don't want the glare on it, so unfortunately, I'm sorry. Let's take it down to low, turn it around a little bit. Sure wish they made that knob a little bit better, where you wouldn't have to go through all that. But oh well, it's the same thing on the Air King version, 9146. Of course, 9145 on the Air King one is the clip-on one. And the 2004 W is the clip-on one of this one. Okay, back up to high, then we'll do a spin down, and that'll be it for the video. The blades are transparent, somewhat. Not all the way, like matty white. And a spin down, which is not long at all. Sorry. But still decent for this size fan. Let's see if we can get the startup sound. It does have one, but I think it's very faint. Let's see. Let me cut off the television. Hold on 1 second. Let's see if we can get this startup sound. And oh well, it's there. It's real faint. So unfortunately, if you didn't hear it, I am truly sorry about that. So here it is, my LASKO 2002 W 6-inch table fan. I have the other one right there. I'm sorry, I don't have the flash on, so you can't see it. But that's unfortunate. Maybe the next video I'll have the flash on. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. Don't leave any rude comments. God bless you and gone.